Complete the table 1 in the complete table 1. Macam ni bawah sama. 213. Complete table 1 in the answer space for equation y is equal to negative 2x squared minus 5x plus 15 by writing down the value of y when x is equal to negative 4 and 0.8. So you just substitute inside x to get y. So when x is equal to negative 4, y is equal to negative 2, negative 4 squared minus 5, negative 4 plus 15, which is equal to 3. So we get 3. X is equal to 0.8. Y is equal to negative 2. So x squared is 0.8 square minus 5, 0.8 plus 15, which is equal to 9.72. So this one is 9.72. Using a scale of 2 cm to 1 unit on the x-axis and 2 cm of 5 unit on the y-axis, draw the graph of y is equal to negative 2x squared minus 5x plus 15 for negative 5 until 3. So 2 cm x-axis and 5 cm y-axis. So we see here for x-axis we have negative 5 to 3, and then for the y-axis we have from negative 18. So this one is y is from negative 18 to 18, and this one is negative 5 to 3. We can see here y is almost the same, the division, and y negative is more, but we can put negative 5 here, which is negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and here should be, oh my hand, this one and so this one would be 5, 10, 15, 20, negative 5, negative 10, negative 15, negative 20. So sorry, it's quite hard to make straight line using this tablet, but okay, something like this. Lama. Consider this one is a straight line. And then here we get negative 5, negative 10. So negative 5, negative 10 should be here. Negative 4, 3 should be 1, 2, 3 here. Negative 3, 12. So 12 should be 1, 2, 3, 4. This one should be 3, 12. And then negative 2, 17. Alamak. Okay. Negative 2, 17. This one is 15. So 17 should be 1, 2, 3, 4. This one should be negative 2, 17. And then here negative 1, 18. So negative 1, 18. So it should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is here. And then 0 should be 15. 0.8 is 9.72. 0.8. So you see here, this one is 10. So 0.8 should be here, 0.8. 9.72 or 9.8. So here, which is, okay, here you get here, this is 10. So you see, this is 10 and 2 below it is 9. So 9.8 should be somewhere in between 9.5 and 10. So maybe here. And then 2, negative 3. to negative 3, so negative 5. So the distance is 2 up to negative 4, up another 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 is negative 3. And then 3, negative 18. So 3, negative 18, we need to move this one again. So 3, negative 18. So 2 below is 16. So 18 should be 6 from above. So 2, 4, 6. She's here. So we connect all the point. Aduh, connect ni tu hal kat freelance ni. Aduh. Susahnya guna ni kan. So starting from here, so we connect here. Okay. So, from your graph, find the positive value of x when y is equal to 7.5. So, x when y is equal to 7.5, and then the value of y when x is equal to negative 3.5. What is y? So we check from the graph. Y is equal to 7.5 and x is equal to negative 3.5. What is the value? So y is equal to 7.5 and x is equal to 3.5. When y is equal to 7.5, so here 7.5 should be in the middle. So should be 5 from, should be here 7.5. So when y is equal to 7.5, the positive value of x, so we should, okay, positive should be here, so it should be here. This one is negative 3.5. So we see here negative 3.5, it should be somewhere in between. So 2, 4, 5. So should be here 3.5. 3.5. So and 3.5 should be, if you pull it from the graph, so if you draw it for here, y is equal to 7.5, you should get x in between 1 to 1.1, and if x is equal to negative 3.5, you should get the value is equal to 7.5 to 8.5. So you see here 7.5 to 8.5. So this one if you draw using graph paper. So I'm sorry because like it's quite hard to free draw on this paper, but it's almost the same with this one. So there may be like a bit of slightly different. So draw a suitable straight line, satisfy the equation. So negative 2x squared minus 6x plus 10 is equal to 0, and then we have y is equal to negative 2x squared minus 5x plus 15. So we have to rearrange this so that 0 will be in front. So 0 is equal to negative 2x squared minus 6x plus 10. And then here y is equal to negative 2x squared minus 5x plus 15. And you can see here, if we minus this equation, we can get y, which is new equation. So negative 2x squared minus negative 2x squared is 0. Negative 5 minus negative 6 is negative 5x. Negative 5 minus negative 6 is equal to negative 5 plus 6, which is x. And then 15 minus 10, which is plus 5. So the new equation is y is equal to x plus 5. So we can choose. So we can choose 2 points on graph to make straight line. So when y is equal to 0, x is equal to negative 5. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. Now we can draw on the graph. So before this, So y is equal to 0, x is equal to negative 5, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 0, x is equal to negative 5, which is here. And then x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5, which is here. So now we can connect these 2 points. Susahnya tuliskan. So the value of x which satisfy this equation is this one and this one. So we can pull the value down to see what is the value, and this one also, the intersection, you can pull it down. So in my case, I get 1.2. So here, this in between, so the intersection is here. This is like 4 after negative 4. So negative 4.2. So we see here the acceptable value for this is 4.2. So the acceptable value for this is x in between 1.1 to 1.3, and the acceptable value for this is x in between 4.1, negative 4.1 to negative 4.3.